Okay, so I have some PR packages over here, so let's do some unboxing. So this is from L'Oreal. I received their duo serum, Age Perfect Duo Serum. Thank you, L'Oreal. From Garnier, and I think this is their new micellar water. Their vitamin C micellar water. Then I have this cleansing pad. Thank you, guys. This is from Tower 28. Their lip plumper. I have 5 shades, and I think I have already, shared all my swatches in TikTok or Instagram Reel or YouTube Shorts. You can check the swatches over there. Next is from La Roche-Posay. I received their sunscreen Antelio UV Air Serum Sunscreen SPF 50. Next I have from Vitamins and C Beauty. This is the brand. I don't know if this is available in Sephora, but I have their Blue Sea Kale Grapefruit Face Mask. This is their Sea Kale Hyaluronic Acid. I have tried this. I just put it back over here for unboxing. And Dead Sea Mineral Vitamin C. Thank you. Just received from Torridin Dive-In Serum. I think this is now available on Sephora. You can check my shop, my app. Next I have from Perricone MD. This is their Deep Crease Serum. I will try and let you know how this is. I have from Ravent. I think that's how you pronounce. I hope so. So I have Ravent Blush Stick. Then I have their gel eyeliner, and this is their eyebrow pen. From Tear, I received their, I have already shared an IG Reel or YouTube Shorts. You can check my review. Tear Matcha Tea Pad, a vegan, option for PDRN, and this is their tea scrub, Matcha Bubble Tea Scrub. Next I have from Maybelline their mascara and sculpting eyeliner. I have already filmed the shots. That was not from PR. I purchased this myself, and I received 3 other shades from them. Thank you so much, Maybelline. I received another package from L'Oreal, and this is their hair fragrance. So I have the Citrus Spritz. This is my favorite, the Sparkling Rose. And next is their Glazed Honey. All 3 smells incredible. And first I love the pink one, and then the blue, and third comes the yellow. Next I have from, this is Coco D'Or Fragrance Diffuser. I have, it smells very nice. I have kept it in my living room. Next I have from Karuna Skin, and they sent me their 4 sheet mask hyaluronic acid. This is also hyaluronic acid. This is tranexamic acid sheet mask, and I think also this is again tranexamic. So this is 2 each. I have from Madison Reed. I have already filmed a long format to review this. You can check it out. This is their bond building treatment, and this is their root touch up brow filler in powder form, and this is their mascara form. Thank you so much, Madison Reed. Next I have from Youth to the People. Let me figure out how to open this. Okay, this is from Youth to the People, and I have their green kale and green tea spinach vitamin. This is their cleanse. This is their moisture cream, superfood skin drip, sunscreen broad spectrum SPF 60. Next I receive body oil from Iota. I tried this last night, and this smells so good. I will share shorts or reels soon on this. Next I have from Garnier, and this is their hair care range, curly hair, curl construct creation mousse. Then this is Garnier Fructis Curl air dry cream, and this is Flexi Hold Curls, 100 hours moisture elastic hold. Wow, I need to try this. I don't have a curly hair. It's wavy, but let's see how this is. Thank you so much, Garnier. This I received a PR from Form. I don't know. I think that's how you pronounce Form or For Me. And this is 2 socks, and this is not any ordinary socks. For L is for left leg. You can, and there is this R, and huge PR package from this Korean brand, and that is Toso Woong. And I'm not going to share everything, but some I will just show you how many it is. The PDRN one I try to avoid because I had really very bad experience. But one of the PDRN from this, which is PDRN plus peptides, that was really good. So I think I will give another shot, PDRN with niacinamide. So this is like huge. I don't know, it will take so many years for me to finish it. I might share it with my neighbors or donate some. Thank you so much, Toso Woong, and I think these are available on YesStyle. You can use my code PAMStation. For my PR unboxing, don't forget to subscribe and share this video to all your friends and family.